Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox this Hobbycraft acrylic paint pouring kit. It's currently retailing in 2022 for about £20 to £25 in the UK. I'm Christine of Christine's Crafts. So what are you going to get in your kit is what I'm going to show you, and then whether you can really make anything with it as soon as you've got it. So it says on the front that you've got 47 items in there, and the theory is that you've got everything in here to start doing paint pouring. So on the back is as much instruction as you get, and it's basically two ideas for how to do a paint pouring project. There really isn't a lot in the way of instruction, but I wouldn't let that put you off. You're on YouTube, it's absolutely full of tutorials. Indeed, with my kit, I'm going to make some, which you'll be able to watch as soon as they're done. So let's get into the kit and see what's in there. When you pull it out, you'll not be surprised to learn there's a mountain of plastic. It's just holding everything there to look pretty, which I'm a little bit uncomfortable with, but this was a birthday present for me. So let's take the top sheet of plastic off and see what's there. So obviously first I'm going to go straight for the paints. There are 10 nice brightly coloured paints. You've got black and white, a couple of metallic ones, gold and silver, and then lots of bright colours. It really is great to get started, I think. A nice selection of colours, and you're going to produce some bright art. So I'm just popping them all out. And then what else do you get? What else do you need? Well, there's some silicone oil. No real instructions for what that's going to do, but it does tell you can add it to the paints and get different effects, so you'll have to experiment. You get all these measuring cups. There are in fact 8 of them. And you can put your paints in them, you can mix paints up in them, you can do layers of paints for lots of different effects, and I think really you've got plenty there with 8. There are some stirrers, so you can stir paint and maybe stir the silicone oil in, and there are some gloves to protect your hands. Again, it's optional if you use them or not. There are some pipettes to get some more exciting effects, and there are some plastic tools. No real idea what you're supposed to do with these from the kit instructions, but I think you can use them for effect and also to clean around your canvas once you've completed your picture. So let's pop them all out and then see what's underneath this layer of plastic. And what you've got underneath is a little pack of 4 canvases and a cardboard box. So you can see the sort of size of these canvases, the same as you could see the size of the paints compared to my hand. And let's have a look in this box. Nothing in it. Ever the optimist, but no, there's nothing in there. So I'd just like to draw your attention to your pouring paints. Each one is 3.99 fluid ounce. So there's quite a bit for you to have a go. So that's everything you're going to get in your set. And I'm now going to show you a piece of art I did straight away, straight out of the box without any practice, just having a go. So overall, I would recommend this kit. I think it's a great way to get started. And if you've enjoyed the video, please do look on my website and on my channel for more videos and more instructions, because I'm definitely going to be carrying on with this. Thanks for watching.